Introducing the 2023 SEAT ATECA 2.0TDI 150B Experience PA horse in stylish grey with 886-111 quoted on the clock. This SUV is packed with all the features you need for a comfortable and safe drive, from ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking. With a 2.0 litre diesel engine and 6-speed transmission, this car is both powerful and fuel efficient. And with a Towbar preparation and privacy glass, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Plus, this vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.